First remove the hose clips on the airbox hoses. There are 4 screws to remove on each airbox, here and on the back. One airbox removed, now onto the second. Undo the 4 Allen head cap screws on each throttle body and pull them aside. No need to undo or disconnect any wires. It comes out. There's a lot of oil, so make sure you put towels down first. There's also quite a lot of threads on it, so once it's started with the pliers, then you can undo the rest by hand. Give the filter housing a good washout. Okay, so here we have the new filter installed in the housing and both O-rings replaced. We've got, put that down there, we've got this new O-ring in here, and also the new O-ring is in place on the new filter with a bit of oil around both. And I've cleaned the threads and cleaned inside the housing itself with a bit of throttle body cleaner. So that shouldn't fall out because it's clipped in place. Once the filter is hand tightened in place, then use the filter wrench to tighten it up until you can feel no gap between the plastic filter and the metal surrounding.